Okay, welcome girls. Good afternoon. So we're gonna start another week here in US teachers class. And on this week, for this day, so we're gonna talk about singular nouns. Just let me put the presentation. Se ve, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay, good. So on week 2, class 1, singular nouns. That's what we're going to talk about this week, well, this day, right, today. And well, we have singular nouns. Singular nouns, like the word says, so we talk about just one thing, right? For example, book, singular, talking about one thing. Next one is dog, same thing, right? There's only one animal, dog. And then we have elephant, right? And the same thing. It's only one animal, and hello Cindy, and it is singular as well.
Hello.
Then in the next slide we have our singular nouns. So we have cell phone, right? It is only one. Umbrella, same thing. And toothbrush is only one. So when we talk about one thing, is singular, one object, right? Or animal, or whatever you want to mention. If it is singular, it's only one, right? So that's the part for singular nouns. We have more examples. So we have key, it's only one. Glass, same thing. And we have map, right? It's singular as well. Next, more singular are nouns. We have the newspaper, right? Newspaper, only one. Watch, same thing, singular. And we have ticket, right? Same when you go to the supermarket and you get a ticket, so that's a singular one as well. So when we talk about singular nouns, so they are followed by an article. So in this case, we're going to talk about the articles a and an, right? So the articles a and an, or an and a, like you see in the presentation, so they are singular. And there is a specific rule for that. So for example, when we use an, it is followed by vowel sounds. Se usa con sonido, ¿verdad? No es que, digamos, si la palabra comienza con, hay ciertas reglas, ¿verdad? Que eso lo vamos a ver un poquito más adelante, pero es el sonido de la de vocal. Entonces utilizamos an. If it is a consonant sound, so then we use a. And then, we have an extra information. A and an means only one. So we use it just with singular. Solo con singulares nada más. Se utiliza a y an. In Spanish, the meaning of a y an. So what's the meaning of Spanish? Of a y an. ¿Alguien que sepa? El sonido, perdón, el significado de a y an.
Uno.
Uno. Una. ¿Verdad? Uno o una. Bien. All right, so, and then we have this part, right? The demonstrative. And this is when we use it with in questions, same thing, in sentences, right? But we're going to check this part a little bit later. So I just want to let you see that. Now that we have a and an, I will ask you a quick right here. Just let me go back. And let's check it out. Just let me get out of the presentation. And let's see for the first one. So what do you think that we're going to add in the first one? A or an? What do you think it is? ¿Qué creen que vamos a agregar en la primera? A o an?
A.
That's correct, right? So, and then we say a book, right? So we're talking about only one singular object. What about dog?
A dog.
A or an?
A.
A, right? So a dog. Very good. A dog. And just let me go with the next one. And this one, elephant. Correct. An elephant, right? So if you remember the rule, dice sonido de consonante, ¿verdad? Book. Es sonido de consonante. Luego tenemos dog. Sonido de consonante también. Entonces decimos a dog. Luego tenemos elephant. Es sonido de vocal. Entonces por eso utilizamos an. Y decimos an elephant. Question so far? No?
No.
All right, good. Okay, so next part. So we have more singular nouns. And on this one, so what do you think it is? Let's see, help me out, Paula. Paula. So which one do you think it is? A or an? ¿Es sonido de vocal el que se escucha o sonido de consonante? Cell phone. ¿Qué sonido escucha usted, Paula, cuando nosotros decimos cell phone? El primer sonido.
Consonante.
Consonante. Entonces, si es consonante, perdón.
Sería A.
A, right? And then we say a cell phone.
A.
Good.
A cell.
A cell phone. Thank you. Hillary. Next one. Umbrella. ¿Qué sonido escucha cuando digo umbrella? Umbrella. ¿Sonido de vocal o sonido de consonante? Hillary. Está con nosotros. Sí. ¿Perdón? Creo que Hillary tiene problemas de conexión. Creo que nos puede ayudar, Cindy. Es umbrella, sonido de vocal o sonido de consonante.
De vocal.
De vocal. Entonces vamos a utilizar
An.
right? An umbrella. Good. No sé, Hillary, si ya tiene, si se nos puede contestar esta. Toothbrush. Tooth. ¿Sonido de vocal o inicia con sonido consonante? Tooth. Hillary. No, creo que Hillary si no. No está. Ok, Paola. Toothbrush. ¿Sonido de vocal
Consonante.
o consonante? Entonces decimos
A.
A. A toothbrush, right? Next one, Cindy, key,
Consonante.
consonante. Entonces,
A.
aquí, right? Okay. Next one, Paola, a glass. Ah, ya leí la respuesta.
Consonante.
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 Se me fue. All right. Entonces sería la respuesta
A.
a glass. And Hillary, are you with us? Hillary? Hillary, consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant. And the answer? Well, she said consonant. And the answer, girls? Cualquiera. ¿Me da la respuesta?
A map.
A map. Good. Thanks. And we have the last one. So let me get there. Cindy, newspaper.
Sono.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
A newspaper.
A newspaper is consonant, right? Next one is
Consonant.
consonant, and the answer?
A watch.
A watch. And the last one is
Consonant.
consonant as well. And
A
the answer
ticket.
is
A ticket.
a ticket, right? Okay. So then, we have one more time. The articles a vowel sound, and vowel sounds and a consonant sounds. Remember that. Y siempre van a ser singulares, ¿verdad? Pero estamos hablando solo de un solo objeto. Questions so far? No?
No.
Okay, good. And then we have,
Oh.
all right, good. Then we have these, right? These, when we use these, we use it with things that are close to you. That's when we use this. And, when you don't know something, you always say, what's this, right? Digamos que en el caso que no conocieran qué es esto, me dijeran, what's this, teacher? Usted lo agarra y me dice, what's this? Entonces, y lo señala, right? Puede señalar, lo puede tener en su mano o lo señala y lo toca, pero entonces está cerca de usted. Entonces, si está cerca de usted o lo puede tomar, entonces dice, what's this? Para objetos que están cerca o cosas que están cerca de usted. And the answer is, this is a cell phone, right? Entonces, como si ustedes ven, inicia con consonante, entonces utilizamos a, right? Next question. We have, what's this? And same thing, right? So this is an umbrella. Entonces, an seguido de una vocal, utilizamos an en ese caso. Recuérdese que this es para objetos que están cerca de usted. Okay, so now let's practice this part. And I would like that Cindy, you're going to be A, and Paola, you're going to be B. For the first one, right? This one.
The first one. Okay. Paola, what's this?
This is a cell phone.
This is a cell phone, right? This is a cell phone.
This is a cell phone.
Good. Okay, now Hillary, you're going to read the question and Cindy will give you the answer.
Okay. Cindy, what's this?
This is an umbrella.
Okay, good. And then we have that, right? That is for things that are far from you. So if you look at the difference, the first one, we have the pointing finger, right? Close to the object, right? Then we have that, it is far from you, or it is far from the object. So we use that. And same thing, we use it with singular nouns. Same thing with this, close, and singular nouns. That, it's far from you, singular noun, and we use it with singular nouns as well. And we have, what's that? And the answer is, that is an elephant, because it is far from you. And the other one, what's that? I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. And that one we say, that is a ring, right? That is a ring. Okay, now let's see. Who was the last one to answer the question? You, right, Cindy? Cindy, could you please ask Paola for the first question, right? This one,
Okay.
right here.
Paola, what's that?
That is an elephant.
Okay, good. Next one, Paola, you're going to ask Hillary. Hillary will give you the answer for the second one, for this one.
Hillary, what's that?
That is a ring.
Okay, good. Question, girl, so far?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you all. So that will be for the class for today, right? And we're gonna conclude with the class in this moment. And in the next part, we're gonna be with the practice. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back.